Now we'll go to the course partial differential equation, and the lecture is PD1. At first we should learn what is PD. Definition of PD. What is PD, or what is partial differential equation? The answer is the equation in which partial differential coefficients of a function of two or more variables are present is called partial differential equation, or PDE. Okay, this is called PDE. Example, partial derivative operator del z del x plus del z del y equals to 1. Okay, and another example, del z del x into del z del y equals to 5. That means the equation in which partial derivative operator present. If partial derivative operator is present, then the equation is called partial differential equation. Okay, now we'll go to the topic, order of PD. Order of partial differential equation. It is the similar concept in ODE, ordinary differential equation. In ODE, the order is the highest derivative operator, highest derivative is present in that equation. Similarly, in PDE, the highest partial derivative appearing in a partial differential equation. Okay, very similar as ODE. Example, we will say second partial derivative operator here plus 6 y square equals to 0. Okay, here this derivative operator is second partial derivative. This derivative is also second partial derivative. So the highest derivative present is second partial derivative. So the order will be 2. This is second order. Okay. Let's go to the second example. Here third partial derivative operator present plus z second derivative operator to y with respect to y plus first derivative partial derivative operator with respect to x equal to 0. Now here this is the third partial derivative operator, third partial derivative. This is second partial derivative, and this is first partial derivative. So the order will be 3 because the highest partial derivative operator is third partial derivative. So the order will be 3. Okay, third order. Now we'll go to the topic, the degree of PDE. What is the degree of PDE? The exponent or the power of the highest partial derivative, appearing in a partial differential equation is called the degree of PDE. Okay, example. Second derivative operator, power cube, power 3, exponent is 3 plus 6 first derivative operator equals to 0, and this term is squared. So here is the degree will be 3. The degree will be 3 because the highest partial derivative is this is highest derivative, and the power of this derivative is 3. So these equations degree will be 3. Okay, the power of highest derivative partial operator. Okay, now we'll go to the topic, linear partial differential equation. What is linear partial differential equation? The differential equation, in fact the partial differential equation will be linear if it follows the two conditions, Okay, the first condition is every dependent variable and its derivative, in fact its partial derivative, partial derivative should be in first degree. That means exponent of dependent variable or power of dependent variable and power of partial derivative is 1. Second condition is the product of dependent variable and its partial derivative. The product of dependent variable and its partial derivative should be absent. Of course, there is no product of dependent variable and its partial derivative. Okay, then the equation will be called linear partial differential equation. If an equation doesn't follow the principle, the condition of linear partial differential equation, then the equation will be called non-linear partial differential equation. Okay, now we'll go to the example. First example should be second derivative of z, partial derivative of z with respect to x plus 6 first derivative of z with respect to y plus just z equal to 0. This is linear partial differential equation because the power is 1, the power is 1, the power is 1, and no product of dependent variable and no product of dependent variable and its derivative. No product. This term are missing here, so this equation would be linear, of course. Okay, these partial differential equations order is 2 but degree 1. Linear partial differential equation follows always degree should be 1 but order can be 1, 2, 3, 4 or higher. So this equation will be second order linear partial differential equation. Okay, second order linear partial differential equation.